Welcome back. Today let us learn opposite words in Dinka language. Opposite word in Dinka language. Let's see number one. One, we have father, mother. In Dinka, wa, ma, wa, ma. Brother, sister, wamat, nyankai, wamat, nyankai. Uncle, auntie, walan, nyuwach, walan, nyuwach. Uncle mean walan. Auntie mean nyuwach. Grandmother, grandma, grandfather mean wadit, madit. This is madit. It's not there. Madit. Madit mean grandmother. Wadit mean grandfather. Boy, girl. In Dinka, nya, dog, nya, dog. The opposite of nya, which is girl, is dog, which is boy. Husband, wife, much, tick, much, tick. The opposite of husband is wife, much, tick. Doll, diao, doll, dew, doll, dew mean laughing, crying. Doll mean laughing. The opposite of laughing is crying, which is dew in Dinka language. Miet po is the opposite is dark po. Miet po, dark po. Miet po, dark po mean happiness or sadness. Sadness mean dark po or young po. Happiness mean miet po. You are happy. Love, hate. The opposite of love is hate. In Dinka, near man. Near man. Sorry guys. Near man. Near mean love. Man mean hate, to hate someone. Rich, poor. In Dinka, rich mean ajak. Ajak. Poor mean lang. Lang. Ajak. Lang. That is the opposite. The opposite of ajak is lang. Hot, cold. The opposite of hot is cold. In Dinka, hot mean atuch. Cold mean alirtwat. Alirtwat. Alirtwat mean cold. Atuch, alirtwat. That is the opposite. Slow, pass. In Dinka, slow mean amat. 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 Amat mean you go slowly. Loyamat. Loyamat mean do it slowly. Loyamat. Do it slowly. So the opposite of slow is pass. So write for me the word pass here in Dinka language. Write it here. The opposite of amat. Write it. I want to know. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. In Dinka, heavy mean atiek. Atiek. Light mean apolich. Apolich. Apolich mean something which is light. You can carry it with your hands. So it's very light. And atiek mean is very heavy. you need someone to help you to carry it. It is very heavy. The stone is very heavy. Mean a lel or dot a thick. Prawn back. Prawn back. In Dinka, prawn mean twing. Back mean chain. Twing, chain. Inside, outside. In Dinka, a long thin, a air, a long thin, a air. A air mean outside. A long thin mean inside. And ral a long thin, a ral odik a long thin. I'm inside the house. A ral otko a air. I'm outside the house. Big, small, because we always know that the opposite of big is small. In Dinka is the same thing. Adit, akor. Adit, akor. Adit mean big. Akor mean small. This is akor. A, ka, o, ra. Akor, small. Yenakan, the end by Willyɔm Majaŋ Deŋdit. This is how you should write your name in Dinka language. If you are called Willyɔm, you should write it like this. Willyɔm. This is Dinka name. Majaŋ Deŋdit. These are Dinka name. Dupioc thoŋjäŋ. Follow, please. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and be part of Dinka Learning Family. Thank you very much. The only way you can support this channel is by following and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also share our video to your loved ones so that they can also learn Dinka language with us. Okay? We got challenge and Willyɔm Majaŋ Deŋdit. Bye bye. Next lesson.